Welcome everyone to Global Light Online Digital Trading. I am by name Emmanuel, the founder of Global Light. So right now I'll be teaching us on how you can easily create a logo design using Pixellab. How you can create a logo design, simple logo design using your text only on your Pixel app. So right now, I believe before now you should have been able to download your Pixel app. If you are yet to do that, kindly go to your Chrome browser and kindly go to your Play Store and you download your Pixel app. Personally, I have been able to download my Pixel app. So right now, I will only click on the app. So immediately you click on the app, it will be showing something like this, just an empty space like this to you. So right now we move on. First of all, what's the first thing we are going to do? The background. So the background that we are going to change, what are the things we are going to do first? The background. So for us to change the background color, because we cannot use this color right now, we cannot use it for our logo design, so we have to change the logo's background. So which color do we want to use? For us to change the background, we have to click on this double square icon below my phone screen, which you can also see on the screen there. So you click on this double square icon. So once you click on it, you can see it. I believe you can see it very well. So once you click on that, you will see color. So you click on color. Once you click on color, you'll be seeing color and gradient. Still click on what? Color. If you click on gradient, it will be showing double color for you. So because of that, we are not using that. So what background are we going to use? Let's set for the color we want to make use of for the background. Okay, I'll be going for this for the background color. So now from there we move on. So what was the text we are going to type in? Or first of all, what was the name of the company? The name of the company is, let's say, Sunshine Limited. So now let's go to, you click on letter A, which stands for the text there. It gives you access to the tools on text there. So now let's click on A. We've clicked on it. So let's edit. You click on edit. Sunshine Limited. So make it capital letter. So you click on OK. You can see OK by the right corner of your phone screen. So now the size, increase the size. So now we will increase the size already. So what font are we going to make use of? Fonts. So what fonts are we using? Let's see, let's check for the fonts that will best suit what we want to do. So let's check, let's go through. Okay, let's make use of this, yes, let's make use of this. So now the color of this text, let's change it. The color of the text, you click on color. Let's make use of this color. Let's make use of this. So that's it. We are moving on gradually. So now you can decide to reduce it a little bit anyway. You can adjust it anyway. So I'm using this right now, so SL. So we click on shapes. When you want to use the shape tools, you click on the one in between. You can see when you click on that icon in between, so you can have access to the shape tools. You can also see sticker, imports, draw, shapes. So you click on shapes. So once you click on shapes, let's try to like edit it a little bit. So that's it. So the color, what color are we going to use? Make sure you use the color of the background. So let's move it, position it. I believe you can see this. So we move on. I believe you can see it. So gradually we are doing what? We are moving on. So from here now, what was the next thing? we type in the name of the company. The name of the company is what? Sunshine Limited. So you click on OK. So type in the name of the company there. So what's the size? We have to reduce the size very well. The font we want to make use of. What's the font we are making use of? Let's make use of this font. Okay. Color. Let's make it bold a little bit. Bold. So let's bring it to the center. Position it well. Size, increase the size a little bit. Position it. Size, reduce it because it's more than what we need. And let's try to position it properly. I believe you can see this. You can see it now. So let's try to lock it and check through what we are doing right now. So you can see now. So this is not all. This is not all. So let's move on to the next thing. So you click on this image icon. So once you click on it, you click on shapes. So when you click on shapes, so you click on this icon at the lower side, these square shapes. So once you click on it, you'll be having access to different shapes on this app. So I'll be using circle. So this circle now that I'm using, I'll be using the color of the background. Color of the background. Just follow on and you'll see what I'm doing and you will understand it later. So after, you can see that you might not actually be able to differentiate it. So now what is the next thing I will do? I will click on to back. I believe you can see it to front to back. So you click on to back. Once you click on to back, I believe you can see it now that the ones behind it at the back is actually showing. So now for that circle, I'm going to give it a stroke. You can see it. You click on stroke. Let me go back so that you can see it. You can see stroke. So you click on it. Let's increase it to 5. To 5. Okay, 6. Let's make use of 6. Can you see it? So now that white color, we are going to change it to blue. Can you see it now? So we move on. Let's try to adjust it a little bit. Position it properly. Can you see it now? So that's it. So now for that circle shape, I'm going to copy it. I believe you can see what I'm doing. So now I will increase the size of this a little bit, bring it here, then click on what? To back. Let's try to adjust it a little bit. I believe you can see what I'm doing already. I believe you can see this. So from here now, what's the next thing we are going to do? You can increase the size a little bit. Is this not so much? Okay. So we move on. So from here now, let's lock it. I believe you can see what I'm doing right now. So now we want to write the name of the company and the name of the company first. Let's type it in. Type it in. Sunshine Limited. So Sunshine Limited. fonts. What fonts are we using? Let's use these fonts. So okay, color, the color of it will be this. Let's make it bold. By clicking on letter B, you make it bold a little bit. So now the size, let's reduce the size. So from there now, let's try to bring about space in between it. Let's bring space, make space it a little bit. So now let's bring it to the main center. So bring it down. I believe you can see what I'm doing. So just follow on step-by-step process and you'll be able to get it properly. So when you are scrolling towards the left side, you will see curve. So once you click on curve, you can see. So from here now, what's the next thing for us to do? You adjust it properly. So adjust it properly by you doing this. So let's bring about it, curve it a little bit more. So that's it. I believe you can see what I'm doing. I believe that. So now from there, what's the next thing? We click on text again. Let me just copy this. Copy. Edit. So let's edit this. What's the slang now? Let's write it. Your satisfaction is a concern. So that's okay. So let's go and curve it and use the right curve. So bring it down here. Can you see it? I believe you can see it. Place it at the right center. You placing it at the right center is for you to be able to get the right thing to do. So from there now, position it properly. So let's position it properly. So I believe you can see what I'm doing. So how is it? Just look at it. How is it? It is what? Fantastic. So that's just it. Very easy and straightforward. You are able to design what? A logo design using what? Pixel app. So thank you very much. In class, I'll be expecting yours also. So now after this, what's the next thing we are going to do? We have to save it. You click on what? Save as project. In order for you to save it, let's write logo design. You'll be able to save it on the app itself. So you click on what? Save as image. In order for you to save it to your gallery, I believe you can see it right now. Save to what? To gallery. So from here now, you'll be able to save it on your phone gallery easily and straightforward. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell in order to get more information from us as the class continues to roll on. Thank you very much. See you in class. So now, after we've been able to download and do all this, let's check our phone gallery. Let's check through so that we will see what we've done and we will know what we've done, whether it's good enough. Let's see. I believe you can see it. You can see this is exactly what we've done, and you can see it. How is it? It is what? Fantastic. Thank you very much. See you in class.